guys, happy Sunday. Today we are going to be making some little Easter bunnies. And I purchased this super soft microfiber cloth at Dollar Tree. And it's in the section where they have like the car wash products, that type stuff. And it's super soft, so I think it will make a cute little bunny. And it's pretty big too. It's like 16 inches by 24 inches. So we're going to use this for our little bunny. And then I also purchased some cute little socks at Dollar Tree. And they had these in several different colors too for spring. But I thought a pink and white bunny would be cute. Okay, and I also grabbed 3 bags of rice at Dollar Tree. Then this is the little kit that I got. It's like a pom-pom kit from Dollar Tree, and these are the leftover parts, so I thought I might need some of them. I've got some rubber bands from Dollar Tree, some twine. I wasn't sure if I'm going to go with the rubber bands or the twine, so I haven't decided yet. And then I have some leftover little pom-poms from Christmas. So I didn't really know what all I would need for its little face. So I just pulled out a bunch of things. I thought these would make cute little cottontails. And then I also have these little stick-on beads that I thought might be cute to make some eyes or a little nose. So we'll just have to see once we get them made. But you'll also need your hot glue gun and glue sticks. Okay, so we're gonna start, and I'm gonna start with this car drying cloth first. So give me just a second. Okay, I'm gonna take the car drying cloth. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna fold it in half, just like that. And I am going to take my hot glue gun and I'm gonna glue all along the bottom. So I'll open it up and glue the bottom and then all the way down the side. But I'm gonna leave this section open. So I'll leave this end open. So give me just a second to hot glue this end and this side real quick. Okay, I hot glued this end and this side, and my daughter pointed out that if you don't make sure and get all of the spots covered with hot glue, that your rice is going to spill out. So hopefully I have it glued together so that doesn't happen, but we'll see. Okay, so now you're going to take it and just kind of roll it up, kind of like your sock, so that you can pour some of the rice in the bottom of it. So kind of make it into a little bag, just like that. Okay, are you ready to pour some rice? Okay, you need some help or you got it? Okay. I'm just going to fill it so that the bottom section is nice and full. So this will kind of look like the little snowman that people were making around Christmas. But this is going to be a bunny instead of a snowman. Okay, so kind of give it a shake and see how full it is. Okay, squeeze it together and let's see. What do you think? I think we're going to have to glue these little corners in to make it more round. It's looking cute so far. So let's get some string and tie it so that it stays together. Okay, so here's how the bottom half is looking so far. We just kind of pushed in the sides to make it have a rounder shape. So now we're going to fill the upper half with the rice. Okay, my daughter is just going to take the twine that we purchased at Dollar Tree and tie it around real tight to make the top of his head. And the second circle it makes a circle. Oh, it looks cute, but the bottom one we're going to have to work on just a little bit. Okay, so you can see we have it in. There's the bottom, and like I said, we're going to have to hot glue the little ends to make it more rounded. Have to trim that off too. But you can kind of see the bottom, the top, and then we're going to use this up here to make its ears. this is still the bottom of the bunny, so my daughter just took some hot glue and she just took the corner and folded it up and placed it in the hot glue to give it more of a round shape. We just took the top of the towel and cut it right down the center, but we left a little space before we got to the twine. And so, what kind of bunny is it that has the long ears? I can't even think, but anyways, y'all know what I'm talking about. Kind of looks like that kind of bunny right here, but we're going to try to make its ears stand up. For the ears, we just took some plastic knives and we just pushed them down into the rice. And we're going to add some hot glue so that they don't move around. And it should look like little bunny ears standing up when we get finished. Okay, the plastic knives are glued in and we cut off some of the material from the top. And she is just hot gluing the fabric around to kind of make a little sleeve around the knife to make it look like bunny ears. Cute. Looks cute, sis. And this is how much material we cut off to do our little ear. So I'm gonna guess about 5 or 6 inches is what we cut off, but just make sure you have enough to cover the end of your knife when you give it a trim. Okay, so we'll do the other ear and we'll be right back. Okay, and she's working on the other little ear. A little more of the fabric. Okay, those do look like little ears. Okay, we trimmed a little bit off of the left ear and added a little bit more of the hot glue. And as you can see, it's a cute little bunny. So now we have to decide what we're going to go with. If we're going to add a little bit of blush for its cheeks, and maybe a pom-pom for its little tail, or should we do some googly eyes? I'm not real sure, and some whiskers. So we're gonna come up with an idea and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we decided to go with a little bit of blush for its cheeks. And this is just some blush from Ulta Beauty, nothing fancy. Okay, and we're going with a little, what are they called? I don't know either, a little cotton ball puff, whatever they're called, pom-pom that was left over from one of our Christmas crafts. It has a little bit of glitter in it. So my daughter's placing it on for the little nose. So cute. Okay, now we've got to come up with some cute eyes. And we were kind of wanting to do some cute little eyes with eyelashes. Okay, we haven't glued anything on yet. We're just kind of playing around with it to see if we like it. We think it's kind of cute. So we may go ahead and glue these little eyes on. But it would be so cute if we could do a little eye closed with its little eyelashes, kind of like a little unicorn. That would be so cute, but I don't know if I can do that. So we may have to stick with the googly eyes. Okay, we went through my bag of buttons and we couldn't find anything we liked better than the googly eyes. So we decided to hot glue them on. And then I'm gonna go get some ribbon and tie a little bow around its little neck. And then I think it'll be finished. Well, we might want to add a little cottontail on back. So cute. Okay, and I'm going to add this little ribbon that I purchased at Dollar Tree. It's got cute little gold bunnies on it. So we're just going to tie a little bow around her neck. Just a simple little bow. Let's see. And then we'll add her tail too. Then let me trim the ends. Okay, and then let's turn her around, add her little cottontail. What about right here? Okay, and there's our little bunny. I hope you like this DIY, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. I almost forgot, we added some little whiskers, and I will try to do part 2 tomorrow and do a sock bunny for you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and please subscribe to my channel and like and share.